A very good morning to all. How are you? Well, today I am here with a fresh topic. Can you guess the name of the topic? Yes, well said. As you can see here from the board, the topic of the chapter is A Truly Beautiful Mind. What's the name of the chapter? A Truly Beautiful Mind. Being a 9th class students, you all are very familiar with the physics equation E is equal to mc square. Can you name the scientist who has given us this well-famous equation? Yes, it is none other than Albert Einstein, one of the most genius scientists of our recent times. So as you guess, the chapter A Truly Beautiful Mind is all about Albert Einstein. The previously mentioned equation is only one among from his many great achievements. So this alone can show how great or how genius scientist he was. But here we are not going to focus more about his scientific inventions or physics theories and all. Rather, through this lesson, we are going to focus more about Einstein's personal life, his childhood days, his college days, his initial days of working years. These are the topics that we are going to cover through this lesson. When we complete the lesson, you will get answer for 3 main questions. The questions are, first one, how did Albert Einstein spend his childhood days and college days? Question number 2, why people call him a genius scientist? And finally, why the world remember Einstein as a world citizen? These are the 3 questions that we are going to cover throughout the chapter. So, dear students, are you all ready to start? Yes. So now let us go into the chapter. Before starting the lesson, please, all of you, sit straight. Make your body in a straight position. Take a deep breath in. Hold it for a while. Slowly, and slowly you release it. Once again, please repeat it. Take the deep breath in. Hold it. Release slowly. Now, you may experience or feel a freshness in your mind, isn't it? So with this freshness, let us enter into our chapter. So, as you read from the chapter, Albert Einstein was born on 14th March 1879 in a German city called Ulm. When he born, there was no any indication of his greatness, because from the myth or histories you might have heard about the birth of many important persons. When there are some certain indications given by the nature and all. But here in the case of Albert Einstein, we can see there was no any indication of his greatness when he took birth on earth. On contrary, only his mother was thinking about him that he is not a normal. But she was not thinking in a positive way. Instead, she was thinking it in a negative way, because his head seemed too large for her. So she was thinking that he is not a normal boy. There was no any other important incident along with the birth of Albert Einstein. And even after that, when he started to grow, more problems start to arise. We know a normal boy child or girl child, when it become 1 year or even less than, or otherwise just after 1 year, start to speak. That is a human nature. But in the case of Albert Einstein, we can see he did not speak a single word till he became 2.5 years old. Okay, students, till 2.5 years, Albert Einstein did not speak any single word. And when he started to talk, he was repeating every word twice. He was repeating and repeating every word after 2.5 years. And when he started to grow even older, he didn't understand what to do with the other children or how to play with the other playmates. So his friends and playmates given him a nickname. The nickname was Brother Boring. What was the nickname given to Albert Einstein by his playmates? Yes, Brother Boring. So because of the teasing from the friends, and since he don't know how to play with them, he was not ready to go out and play with his playmates. Instead, he liked to remain inside the house and play with his mechanical toys. He was too much fond of mechanical toys. So as a result, we can see from the paragraph, when his newborn sister Maja take birth, Albert Einstein went there, and when he saw her, he said, "Oh well, very beautiful, but where are her wheels?" Because he was thinking this human child is also just like a mechanical toy. Here a new word for you, that is freak. Albert Einstein's mother was thinking about him as freak. So what is the meaning for the word freak? An unusual person. Freak means an unusual person.